Hello guys, today I came with our new product. This is Afro Kinky Curl. As you see, this is very nice curl hair. It's so lovable curl. You see, this is so nice. It's 24 inch. All sizes are available from 10 inch to 26 inch. It's so nice curly curl hair and natural color, and it's so nice. It looks like more volume, but it's so soft inside. It's 100% human hair, so soft and very natural. So let's see inside. Let's see. So when we see inside, this one is front lace. See, this one is front lace and it's breathable. And you can see this one. This is machine made. You can see it's so nice and very quality. And when you see at the back side, this one, let's find it. This one is double motion made waft. This is double motion made waft. So it's so nice, very quality hair. Let's try it. Let's try it. So easy to install. See? This is so soft, so nice. Oh my god, it's so nice. So soft, you can see here. Like so soft and touch, smooth touch. So nice hair is like you can see. So it's so nice. Hopefully you love it. Me, I very like it. So I'm in love with this hair. So guys, if you want to get this hair, just check our website www.lit.com. Just check, you will get with affordable price. Enjoy your hair, enjoy your beauty. Bye bye guys, I hope you love it. Bye bye. You should check our website. Bye.